This morning I want to show you the question number 5, which is it was asking for clear the recycle bin contents, save an output to get hotfix, and get all properties in one script. So that was the goal of that question. So what I did is I remember Professor Khan explained to me how to do it in one command. So what I remember is I had to create the queries or the scripts in a notepad or notepad plus plus and write the scripts over there. So here are my scripts to force recycle bin without asking me to do I need to delete or not, then getting the hotfix information on a format table and save it as a file, and then the same way to get Windows feature, the properties that are available are already installed in that operating system, or this, for example, for this one is for Windows Server. So let me close this out. I just want to show you first that the location of those files are under My Documents, and as you can see, there's nothing in here. Let me just open this back again. So see that right there, documents. So you can see that nothing was in there. Same with the recycle bin. We have some stuff over here that is needing to be deleted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click that, and I'm going to run the PowerShell and see if it works. So let's go do it. Okay. Alright, so there you go. So as you can see, the recycle bin was emptied. And then I want to show you that one. Windows. File Explorer. Okay, we want to go to Documents. And as you can see, it created 2 files. First is the hotfix on this server 2016. And then the Windows feature that is currently installed. So I got all that right there. And that should answer question number 5. Thank you for watching.